What's good with it, y'all? Sugar Keke back at it again with another video for y'all. Not today. It's something new. Look, I look a hot mess, dog. Like, I just looked at myself. I look a hot mess. But I don't care because we family, so you feel me? Family look a hot mess together, prays together, stays together. They do everything together, alright? So, today we have a mukbang. Now, I told y'all in the last video that I was going to do a mukbang. In the last video, I think I said that. I don't know, but listen, I've been off this channel for the longest, dog. Because it was like, had to get the mind right. I don't know. It was like personal stuff. I don't really know how to explain it, but look, I'm back. You feel me? I'm gonna keep on saying that I'm back because I'm probably gonna be on and off. But I thank y'all for the 36 subscribers. The last time I left, we was at 31, 32. That means I gained 4 to 5 more subscribers. I thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all watch this video and all the other videos that I recorded. And yeah, so let's get into this mukbang. So this is a breakfast mukbang, as y'all can see from the title. And I got some rice, some eggs, and some little smokies. I think that's what they're called. But yeah, I'm finna dig in, and yeah. So y'all, I don't know what to say. I watch mukbangs, but I don't know. I don't know what to say. If y'all wonder why I keep on looking up here, it's because I got my camera right here and then I got a computer right here. And it's monitoring my face. So, and then y'all got me a Sprite. Put it right there. Right there. Look good to me. But y'all, yesterday, okay, yesterday, I went to this football game. My high school versus Brian Nelson. Smoked them. But I was really heated at first because y'all just a little, I don't know. I don't really talk whenever I eat. I like silence whenever I eat. Who with me on that? But for y'all, I'm gonna do it. But anyway, I was heated in the first quarter because we knew that it was supposed to rain, but it didn't. I was like, it ain't gonna rain. It might be lightning, but it ain't gonna rain. So I went because Baller, Baller told me to go. And Baller, if you're watching this, it's your fault. But she told me to go because she's gonna be there. I'm like, cool. I'll see what I can do. And so then, something in my mind told me not to go. But I'm sure, forget I'm going anyway. So I went, and the first quarter, it started lightning. I vlogged it, but there was a lot of cussing and stuff going on at the game. I don't feel like doing all that editing, but I vlogged it on my phone, and it was just so much, you know? And, yeah. So, I lost my train of thought. So then, dang. Okay, so then, we had, oh, it started lightning. All right, it started lightning. And so, the little man gonna come on the intercom, look like, okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is lightning. Please go to shelter. This is serious. Please go to shelter. The game is delayed. I'm like, huh? Yeah, mind you, I'm thinking the game was gonna be $3 for students and $5 for adults, like it was last year. These people then went up on the price to $8. Now to y'all, it might not be nothing, but to me, $8 is something to be spending at a game, not knowing if we're gonna win or lose and stuff like that, huh? In my head, I'm thinking, bro, if the game delayed, then maybe they ain't gonna play today. You know what I'm saying? I'm staying here. Baller talking about something. I'm finna go. I don't really care about. At first, she was tripping about the $8. Then, she talking about something. I'm finna go. I don't care about the $8 no more. Go ahead, go. I spent $8 up in here. I'm finna see something. They finna have it. They finna have it in this They finna have it in this parking lot or something. Something finna happen. Something finna happen that I'm finna see for my $8. And so then they had told the home people, cause we was home and Brian and Nelson was away, so they was the visitors. And so now, mind you, this is our first home game. So I'm like, I'm gonna go support my team. And when they said that lightning and stuff, everybody running. It was like a damn, I don't know, people running into each other.
Oh yeah, both of them. Hey, don't go no more, goddammit! Don't go no more goddamn ball! Hey, nigga, I want a refund. What?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now under a lighting delay. We encourage you to go to your cars at this time.
I got some footage on here. I might edit it in there, depending on how I feel on editing. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. So then I don't feel like eating no more. Here y'all want a bite? Take a sausage. You just gonna look at that. Good job. But anyway, I'm talking about some home go to the cafeteria and visitors go to the gym. So that's what we did. We went to the cafeteria, but Barbara's parents were already there, so we had went back. Well, she went back out. So I'm calling my brother. I'm like, "Where you at?" And then he was like, "I'm in my friend's car." So I was like, "I have some bet I'm coming over there because I don't know where." It was a lot of us in a group, and I don't know what other people went, and I didn't want to sit in no cafeteria inside the school. You feel me? So I said, "Bet I'm coming out there." So I went to my brother and his friend's car, and we sat there for like, it should have been an ASMR. My bad, y'all. But anyway, we went to my brother's friend car, and we sat there for like a good 10, 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes, something. I don't know, 10 minutes. Then I had somebody Snapchat that's on the football team, and they was like, "Hey, ready? We finna be ready back on the field in 10 minutes." So I'm like, "All right, cool." You feel me? Then I didn't waste my $8. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, "All right, I'm not too heated now." So we went back. Let me tell you, we did damage. You feel me? Interceptions, everything. I don't know how good this speaker is, but yeah. So anyway, we was we was doing them boys, and I was like, yeah, 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 yeah. You feel me? I got a shirt. I ain't gonna show the shirt because the shirt got my school name on it. I don't know. I know my people, you know, my people, you know, all y'all that subscribe to my channel. I know y'all my people, you know what I'm saying? But I'm talking about the other people on the outside. They be trying to do some sneaky stuff, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't with it, so I ain't gonna show the shirt. But my peoples, I got y'all. You feel me? We right chin with it. Okay. Yeah. So I vlogged it or whatever. I got a whole lot of videos. My friend, somebody saying, "You vlogging? You vlogging?" I was like, "Yeah, I'm vlogging." And yeah, like, "Let me video your vlog." So y'all might see him. I don't know if I'm finna edit this like that or not, but yeah. And so then the score was 42-24 at the end. We dominated. Well, we had 42. They had 24. They walked. We took that dub, took that dub. You already know. But we took that dub. They took that L, so they walked home looking lost, confused, hungry, thirsty. I don't know, but they people's they team just, I don't know. It was a lot of them down. You know what I'm saying? Like, just for the little stuff. Like, I don't know. It was just crazy. Like, our team, we was mean. They team, they were acting like some little girls. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna talk about nobody. You feel me? But I'm talking about the team in general. They was acting like some girls. But at first I thought them referees was gonna cheat us, but they didn't. They was on their P's and Q's, and yeah. So that's what happened. And now school started. I'm gonna tell y'all one. I think I'm gonna create another mukbang today. I might, just for y'all. But yeah. So I'm about to say, yeah, school started back, and I really wasn't ready, but I was ready because this is gonna be not my last year, but my second to last year. I'm a junior, ready to be a senior, so I can get over on out this. Bruh, let me tell you, graduating is so high. Let me tell you, you gotta pay for your class ring, you gotta pay for cap and gown, you gotta pay for yearbook because you know you want to remember your class and stuff. You gotta pay for but 12 minutes, alright. So anyways, you gotta pay for a lot, and we finna be living up under the bridge because we got bills to pay. Sir and ma'am, all these high price rings and stuff, and you know you don't want, because like the lowest rings, because it's from Johnston's, and the lowest ring is $89.99 just for a plain one. You will want your rings to be customized and stuff like that. So I mean, it's gonna be even higher than that. It's gonna be like in the 200-300. I'm like, that's a bill right there. You hear me? But anyways, so yeah, I just got up. That's why I'm not really as hype. And plus, I'm tired. School, I'm telling you, dog. School makes you tired. I feel like I just worked a whole 8-hour shift. yeah, I just felt like I worked a whole 8 hours, a whole full-time job too, overtime included. I'm telling you, like after I get home from school, I'll be ready to go to bed. But I know if I go to bed then, I'm not gonna be able to go to bed in the nighttime. So I'm like, come on, hurry up, nighttime. You feel me? Cause look, whenever you was younger, you didn't want to go to bed. You wanted to stay up, watch TV, watch cartoons, play games, whatever. Right now, I'm finna end this thing because he vacuuming. But right now, sleep is precious. Like sleep is my best friend. Like I don't have no other best friend than sleep. You know what I'm saying? So sleep is precious. It's valuable. You young people, if y'all watching, y'all gonna appreciate shit. Y'all gonna y'all gonna appreciate sleep whenever y'all get older. And I'm just a teen. Think about whenever I'm an adult working a full-time job. You know what I'm saying? Or being on my own. You know, entrepreneurship. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Then my sleep gonna even get shorter, cut shorter. More. It's a lot of stuff to do. A lot of bills to pay. A lot of places to go. But yeah, y'all. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And thank y'all for the new subscribers. Welcome to the fam. Join the squad. I mean, not the squad, but join the Empire EMP because it's about to get lit from here. Ain't no what. Ain't no other way than up from here. We don't never go down. We don't never decrease. We only increase. And let's get it. So your girl Keke is out. Have a good day. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. I'm out. Deuces.
Do you love me? Hey, Keke. Do you love me? Madison called you Asia. I wouldn't give it to her. You call